Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to download YouTube videos for free. So let's get started. So first open your Google Chrome, then choose any video which you have to download. So like I am opening one of my videos and copy its share link. Copy and then type SSS YouTube. Then open the first link. Then put the link here and like it is searching our video. Now I can download it in MP3 and more resolutions. So like I am downloading it here. Thank you for watching my video guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video and share my videos. Please, I want your support. Please guys.